If you've ever downloaded your photos using Google Takeout, you probably ended up with thousands of duplicate images. Here's the issue. Google Takeout exports everything. Original photos, edited versions, albums, backups, which means the same photo can appear multiple times. Cleaning this manually? Almost impossible. So here's a four-step workflow using PictureEcho to clean your Takeout photos safely. First, go to Google Takeout and only select Google Photos. Then you can move on to the next step. Make sure your files are in a zip folder, and then you can create export. Once your data is ready, you will receive an email with the link to download your data. Once you click that link, you'll be able to download all files. So I've downloaded my first part. After you have downloaded your photos and unzipped the folder, open PictureEcho and add that folder. You can now choose your scan mode either to be exact, where you don't have to set the threshold, or similar. For similar, you can choose a strict or very broad threshold. Today, I'll just keep it to 9, the recommended one, and start my scan. PictureEcho analyzes images based on visual similarity, not just file names. So it detects exact duplicates, resized images, edited versions. Once the scan is complete, the duplicates are grouped together. You can preview them. You can compare their size. On the top, you can see the scan time, scan type, scan mode, and the threshold you selected. You can also change the display size. And then at the bottom, you can see how many groups were made, how many redundant photos are found, and how much wasted space could be saved. You can select the duplicates according to oldest, newest, largest, highest resolution, and lowest resolution. Once you've selected the photo, you can move it to a different folder, recycle it, or directly delete it. Once you've deleted, you can now move only clean photos to your Google Photos. Lastly, you will go to Google Photos and add the album you downloaded from Google Takeout and cleaned using PictureEcho. Just import the photos. So that's how easy it was. Google Takeout gives you everything, including the mess, and PictureEcho helps you organize it. So just download, scan, clean, and re-upload, and turn thousands of messy photos into a clean, organized library.